Welcome to another Tap Essentials video. For this one, we will be learning how to do the 4-count riff. Four components: touch, scuff, heel dig, toe drop. Make 4 beats or sounds. Practice time. Speed it up. Don't transfer weight fully until the toe drop. Try going a little faster. Do that again, even faster. One more time, as fast as you can. Don't forget to have fun with your tap dancing. I'm just realizing, I don't think there was any celebration for St. Patrick's Day here in London. Don't forget to practice your improv, play some of your favorite music, and just try tapping, finding rhythms that go with that music and experimenting with that. Maybe even I haven't noticed or heard anything. No one has said Happy St. Patrick's Day. I haven't noticed anything for St. Patrick's Day in the stores. Maybe even make up your own dance. I just don't think it's a holiday here. Makes me a little sad. Have fun with your tap dancing.